In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an Asana account for your schoolwork. First, we'll set up your Asana account so you have a dedicated space for all your school tasks. Head to Asana's website and choose to sign up. Use an email you check regularly and create a secure password. After you confirm your email, Asana may ask a few questions about how you plan to use it. Select options that fit school or personal productivity. The goal here is simple. Get into your workspace so you can start organizing everything in one place. Next, create a project that will act as your central hub. Give it a clear name like Semester Planner or All Classes, so you immediately know what it's for. Choose a layout that feels comfortable to you. A list view is great for a straightforward checklist, while a board view can give you a visual workflow. Either way, you'll be able to keep track of what's coming up and what's finished without losing the big picture. Now, add each assignment, exam, or deadline as a task inside that project. Think of a task as one clear piece of work you need to complete. Use descriptive titles like Biology Lab Report or History Reading Chapters 3 to 5 so you can identify them at a glance. Open each task and add details in the description field. What the teacher expects, the file format, links to resources, or a quick outline of steps. If it helps, include notes on how long you think it will take or any materials you'll need. Add due dates to every task so Asana can help you prioritize. Set the correct day, and if the exact time matters, add that too. Once due dates are in place, you can sort tasks by date and immediately see what needs attention first. As deadlines approach, Asana's date sorting becomes your roadmap for the week. To keep your work flowing, create simple sections labeled to do, doing, and done. Place new tasks in to do, move a few into doing when you're actively working on them, and drag tasks to done the moment you finish. Keeping your doing section small helps you focus, and seeing your done list grow gives you a clear sense of progress. Finally, check Asana Daily. A quick morning and evening review works well. Look at what's due soon, move tasks to the right section, and mark anything completed. This short routine keeps surprises away and helps you catch shifting priorities early. Stick with this system, and your schoolwork becomes organized, visible, and manageable all in one place.